Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can reach the files. Sign in to the same Apple ID that holds the documents and verify iCloud Drive is syncing. Once done, install iCloud for Windows if you prefer local access. Otherwise, open a modern browser and go to iCloud.com. Make sure the pages, numbers, or Keynote files are present in iCloud Drive. If not, upload them from the Apple device now. This ensures you can view and convert Apple formats on Windows without guessing. Next, you open the iWork web app on iCloud.com and pick the document you need. Once the file loads, use the Export or Download as menu to convert to a Windows-friendly format such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF. Choose the format that preserves layout best: PDF for fixed layout, docx/XLSX for editing. After conversion, download the file to your Windows machine. This conversion step is how you view and edit Apple native files on Windows reliably. Finally, open the converted file in Microsoft Office or your preferred viewer and verify content and formatting. Adjust styles if necessary. If something looks off, re-export from Pages as PDF to preserve layout, or use iCloud for Windows to sync the original file and try conversion again. If files don't appear, check iCloud sync status and sign out, then sign back in. You can also re-upload the original document from the Apple device. This sequence gets you viewing Apple files on Windows every time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.